Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. According to reports, Beijing is shifting from being a net importer of the fuel to being a global seller. In an effort to increase Beijing's footprint on the international LNG market, Chinese buyers of liquefied natural gas, LNG, have begun signing new contracts with international providers, according to Reuters this week. The news source reported that Chinese gas traders have been establishing new trading desks or growing those that already exist in Singapore and London, putting them in direct rivalry with LNG powerhouses like Shell, BP, TotalEnergies, and Equinor. Chinese importers have increased the size of long-term LNG contracts with Qatar and US suppliers by nearly 50% since late 2022 to more than 40 million metric tons per year, according to traders and analysts who spoke to the outlet. They also intend to add additional volumes from those two nations as well as Oman, Canada, and Mozambique. By 2026, Chinese enterprises are anticipated to have contracted LNG supplies totaling more than 100 million tons annually, the paper states, quoting consultant Poten and Partners. The country is now the world's top importer of LNG after its LNG imports surged past those of Japan. From Russian power plants in the Far East and the Arctic, significant amounts of LNG have begun arriving in China. Chinese gas companies can exchange or swap US and other portfolio cargoes, according to experts, because Beijing's domestic output is expanding and gas is piped in from Central Asia and Russia. According to Toby Kopsun, head of global trading at Trident LNG in Shanghai, we're going to see a paradigm shift in Chinese companies from being total net importers to being more international and domestic trading players. He pointed out that government-run PetroChina, Sinopec, Sinochem Group, and CNOOC already aggressively trade volatility to profit from their long portfolios. According to Jason Fear, Director of Business Intelligence at Poten and Partners, China may eventually turn into a seasonal seller to places like Southeast Asia, South Korea, and Japan, as well as into Europe. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.